Right guys, I'm going to give you a wee look at the bulbs etc that's gone in and ones that have been in. Right, this is some of my deals I've had to lift out the ground. Also when I came back from Scotland they were dead as a dodo and I was only there for a week, but the intense heat this year in the garden has been unbelievable. So that's Princess Macy's in there, a pink cactus, I think there's 4 in there altogether, so they need to go in a box and get covered up for the winter. Oh dear, Andy just knocked over a terracotta pot. Oh, broken to pieces, but that'll come in handy. Hannibal, Andy's now up my back. Wait to get a wee brush. Brush this up and then we'll get these bulbs shown, guys. Watch now, Mummy cleans this up. Baby, Hannibal. Oh la la. I tell you guys, 10 days left of this. Going to be a long 10 days. Now, I know I've got absolutely tons and tons of videos to catch up on, and I'll try and do some over the weekend. So I've not forgotten about these. Come on, pop up this way, please. But I just have not had time. As I said, I will explain that in a video next week, hopefully. We'll have a wee natter with crows. There we go. That's as tidy as it can be at the minute. Where did I put the pot now? Right. As I was saying, let me see. So let's go on with these bulbs and I'll do another video possibly tomorrow. Okie dokie. Now, everybody, just as well, these glasses are cheapy as chips. Oh my god. And it's only get worse in the next 10 days, I think. Things getting broken and knocked over, but there we go. Right. We have some Narcissi double pepelette, or you see? Peplet is a double one. I think it's rather gorgeous. There's 8 of them. Some of them's already been opened and popped into various tubs about the courtyard, but the rest need to go in. I've took Princess Macy's deal was out the tub, and we've got geranium cuttings in there at the minute and some winter pansies. But I was asking Macy, hi Macy, love you, Granny loves you, big kisses. And I was showing Macy the selection of bulbs that I had that was going to pop into her flower tub until next year. Now these tulips are Triumph, Apricot Fox, and when I was going through the selection with her yesterday on FaceTime, she decided that she didn't like any of the bulbs that Granny got apart from this one. So this is Tulip Darwin, the world's favourite. These are all from Lidl's, as I usually get quite a few from Lidl's every year, as they're also cheap as chip. We've also got Purple Sensation, small ornamental. No, I've forgotten. Right, what also we have popped into the tubs as well as in Princess Macy's, sorry Macy, but I think you'll love them when they come up, is Melange Iris de Hollande. And there's a mixture, and I think they're absolutely gorgeous, so they're also in tubs round about. The rest of these, most of them shall be in Naya's plot. We've got 10 tulips of a lovely combination, is what they're called. 5 tulip foxtrot and 5 tulip foxy foxtrot. Get in. They're also a lovely variety. And Narcissi Poets is also what is in and going in. And last but not least, we have the changing colours of the chameleon. Purissima, 10 tulips Fosteriana. And they go from yellow or a light lemon to a pale lemon to an off-white with a lemon streak through it. And that's the 3 stages there, guys, that the tulip goes through it. So that's what's still to get potted on. And okay, Hannibal, for an extra wee splash of colour we have got purple sensation. We've got 6 of those bulbs to pop in. I'd also be going into Naya's plot, I think. I've also got a box out there with a mixture of bulbs that I lifted earlier in the year, sorry, heads are all over the place. Earlier in the year, I've left some in the ground and we'll see if they pop back up again. Some has actually been scattered about the grass up there, and time will tell if they'll come up or not. But yeah, I've got lots round about the tree, and Hobby was telling me this morning that the next time I go to the nursery, hopefully Monday, and I have to look for apple and plum trees. So I don't know where they're going, but I'll have a look in. No, excuse me guys, that'll be Hannibal. Right, look. Tell everybody, what are you doing? What are you doing? You're looking for this? Are you looking for this? Are you looking for this? No, you can't get that. Sorry about that. Désolé. Right, remove thyself. Oh, sorry guys. It's going to take me a wee bit. It's going to take me a wee bit to edit. To edit this video, I think, because there's quite a bit it'll need to be cut back, I think. Right, wait a minute to wipe you. Wait till I wipe you. Alright. So there's a wind going up, guys, so you never know. We might be getting that long awaited for rain. Absolutely meant to be bucketing down today and tomorrow. But time will tell. So anyway, I'm going to get on with these guys. I'm not going to video it. It'll just let you know that I'm still alive, oh ho. And to Vivi, absolutely fantastic harvest of your pumpkins and squashes, sweetheart. I've never seen so many pumpkins and squashes in different varieties grown in the one plot and came to success. Fantastic. You'll be turning into a pumpkin this time next year. That's what you'll be going out as your Halloween, because you're going to turn into a pumpkin. Okay. Right, this is last year's bulbs. I'm just going to let this run, guys. I'll probably add some music to this because the wind's getting up a wee bit. Now 6 o'clock before we get the rain, apparently, and it can't come quick enough. Well, this is a mixture of all sorts that I've got in this tub from last year. Juicy ones. I'm just peeling back the skins and seeing see what ones are no use any longer. Quite a few here. finish going through this lot, guys. Oh, apparently the wasp's dying off. And I'll put you on to watch the birds while I finish this off. Right guys, so from Clarice and the Conan the Destroyer over there, I'll catch you in the next one, okay? Take care. Au revoir, toodle poop. And bye.